Hello everyone, how are you guys? Today I am going to tell you that the ChatGPT, which is secret, is an AI. With the help of AI, you can write your YouTube script, you can do whatever you want, which takes you 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to write your script. You can do it in minutes. Whenever you think of a topic, you write it to ChatGPT. What will happen to it? He will analyze the topic and write you a script. But I want to tell you the secret. What can you do in it? Whenever we ask a question to ChatGPT, it is called a prompt. You write such a prompt. Write such a prompt. As if whenever you want to write a script, what is the script? We have many words. There will be no 100 words in it. It will not be of 200 words. It is directly of 1500, 2000, 3000 words. Then what do we want that? Not 200, 300 words. We want 1 500 2000 3001 in such a word. Then we will write the prompt that chat secret write us a script which has 3000 words in which there are maximum words, and write it in such a way that we understand everything and the other person also understand. So you can write a script like you as you want. What do you have to do? You can write a whole book with this chat secret. You just have to say whether I can read this book. You know that you are not able to read the book many times because it is expensive. Many times you cannot bring it with you in your house. You could not try it, but you chat um, from secret. All you have to do is write a prompt that give me this book. Give it to me by writing that I want to read this book. Then I want this book in the maximum word. Or you can say that I want this book in about 100 pages. Whenever I say that, take the next page of it. You give the next page first. Give me a page in advance. So you can read the whole book by doing this. People say that if we use ChatGPT or AI, then will it work in YouTube? Then the answer is yes. That ChatGPT and YouTube itself says that you can put a video related to AI, because whenever you put a video, there is an option in it that what I are using, then you have to use a yes or yes button. If you want to press, then you can do it like this. But I want to give you an advice on this, or I want to say that I want to tell you a hack that whenever you use ChatGPT, as you say in YouTube that hello everyone, how are you guys? There is some such formality, then what will happen to you? That your video will increase the chances of going quickly. So guys, if you have any questions from this information, then you can feel free to comment. I will definitely reply to you. And I want to tell you that if you liked my video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to it. Thank you so much.